Reveal has specialised in body-worn video cameras and digital evidence management for well over a decade. We were actually the first body-worn camera provider to include AES 256-bit encryption in our cameras. The footage is encrypted at the point of capture, and it remains encrypted all the way through the upload process until it reaches the final storage location. Our UK police customers absolutely love the front-facing screen. It means that people realise they're being recorded, and it can de-escalate volatile situations. The screen also improves transparency. There's nothing sneaky about the recordings, it's a very overt device. The articulated camera head is another feature that our customers find very useful. It means that all heights and sizes of officer can record appropriate footage, no matter where the camera is mounted on their body. It can also be articulated so that the camera can be mounted onto the side of a cap or helmet, or for firearms or motorcycle users. It can also be rotated 180 degrees so the camera can be used as an interview recorder. The D-Series has a simple one-touch record feature, and officers just need to slide down the big red record button to activate the recording. It is very simple to do, even if they're wearing gloves, or it's raining, or even if the camera's mounted on their helmet. The D-Series is Reveal's 7th generation of camera as a result of years of collaborating with our customers and innovation in design. Our customers tell us that live streaming will be particularly useful for specialist planned operations, for example in firearms deployments.
The police, open the door!
The D5 can stream footage live over Wi-Fi or a 4G network when tethered with a smart device. This allows live footage to be viewed anywhere in the world through DEMS 360.
No, you can't film me without my permission.
Mr. Eden, that's not the case. I'm lawfully allowed to record you while I'm carrying out my duty, and that's what I'm doing now.
When paired with a smartphone, the D5 captures GPS coordinates when recording. This allows users to be able to track where the camera was when the recording took place. The D5 can be activated to start recording by a Bluetooth trigger. This means that the customer can set the camera to automatically record when, for example, the officer leaves the car, or when the officer enters a building. Most crimes actually happen at night, so it's really important that our cameras can capture the best quality evidence in low light conditions. The lux rating on the D-Series can go as low as 0.05. This means officers can capture footage even in very low light conditions. The D-Series combines both a large battery and a high capacity encrypted memory. This means that the camera can record for well over 12 hours and will last an entire shift. DEMS 360 can be accessed on all devices, whether a laptop, desktop, tablet or mobile phone. Customers can either deploy DEMS 360 on the cloud or on-premise. When using the cloud solution, users can securely access DEMS 360 from anywhere in the world using the web client. We have been working closely with the CPS to develop a Reveal CJS cloud to allow our customers to share evidence with the criminal justice system without needing to burn DVDs. Officers can use their mobile device to add information about their recordings prior to uploading the footage. They can update the incident ID, add notes, and select a retention policy from their phone. This means that they can stay in the field for longer, and they don't have to go back to the station and wait for footage to be uploaded before inputting notes.
Do you have your license registration with us?
Many of our customers tell us that they need to redact or blur out faces or objects prior to sharing the footage. DEMS 360 has a redaction tool that automatically detects faces.
All the computers off the desks were missing.
And a simple click and drag feature, so no special training is required. The redaction tool also allows users to redact audio. They can simply remove portions of audio or replace it with an audible beep to make it obvious that they've removed that portion. DEMS 360 can manage all types of data and not just videos created by Reveal body cameras. Many of our UK police customers are using DEMS 360 to manage other types of data, for example drone footage, digital interview recordings or documents. The user can upload all types of data. They can use a DEMS 360 web uploader or use a mass ingestion tool which can automatically ingest large types of data automatically. Customers can apply the same retention policies and notes to these files that they would for their body-worn video recordings. DEMS 360 allows users to group multiple videos and other media types into one case. This allows information to be easily shared, stored and assessed. With its host of new features, the D series is best in its class across video quality, battery life, functionality and ease of use.